Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of BMW's most talked about launches this year, the BMW X1 2025. Whether you call it the BMW X1 2025, the 2025 BMW X1, X1 BMW 2025, or you've been searching for a full BMW X1 2025 review or BMW X1 2025 POV Drive, this is the video that's going to give you every detail you've been looking for. We'll explore the exterior, take a close look at the BMW X1 2025 interior, put it through its paces on the road, walk you through the sporty BMW X1 M35i 2025, the efficient BMW X1 EE 2025 plug-in hybrid, and even compare it to its closest rivals. By the end, you'll know exactly whether this SUV fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your driving expectations. Before we start, make sure you smash that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and hit like if you love cars that combine luxury and driving pleasure. Your support means I can keep bringing you in-depth content like this. And while you're at it, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to review next. Maybe another BMW, or perhaps a direct competitor to this X1. Now let's begin with the design. BMW has clearly gone for an evolution rather than a revolution with the new BMW X1 2025. The front end still features that iconic kidney grille, but it's more upright and slightly larger, giving the car a confident, almost athletic face. Flanking it are slim, angular LED headlights. Adaptive LEDs are available, and in the M Sport or M35i trims, you'll notice darker surrounds that add to the aggressive look. The hood lines are sculpted in a way that draws your eyes to the grille, almost like the car is in motion, even when parked. Moving to the side, the X1's profile is clean and proportionate. Not too tall, not too low. The wheel arches are subtly flared, hinting at capability without overcompensating. Depending on your trim, you can have anything from 18-inch alloys to bold 20-inch designs. The BMW X1 M35i 2025 gets its own M-spec wheels, gloss black side mirror caps, and side skirts that give the car a lower, more planted look. At the rear, the taillights are sleek LED units with a 3D effect, and the bumper has integrated exhaust outlets. Functional in the M35i, decorative in lower trims. The whole design is cohesive, premium, and distinctly BMW. Under the hood, things get more interesting. The standard xDrive 28i uses BMW's familiar 2.0-liter twin-power, turbo inline-4, putting out 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. That's sent to all four wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is in the low 6-second range, more than enough for everyday driving, overtaking, and spirited weekend drives. If you want more muscle, the BMW X1 M35i 2025 walkthrough is the way to go. Here, the same engine has been tuned to deliver about 312 horsepower and sharper throttle response. It comes with adaptive M suspension, sport brakes, a mechanical limited slip differential, and unique drive modes that make the X1 feel less like a small SUV and more like a hot hatch on stilts. But BMW also knows that not every driver is chasing performance. Enter the BMW X125e 2025 plug-in hybrid, a blend of efficiency and flexibility. It pairs a petrol engine with an electric motor, giving you the ability to drive short distances purely on electric power. Perfect for city commuting. And still have the petrol engine for longer road trips. It's ideal for those looking to cut fuel costs without giving up BMW quality. Inside, the BMW X1 2025 interior is where you'll spend your time, and BMW has nailed the atmosphere. The centerpiece is the BMW curved display, a beautiful piece of glass that seamlessly merges the 10.2 5-inch digital driver's display with a quick to respond, and supports over-the-air updates, meaning your system stays fresh over time. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with voice control. The steering wheel feels premium. The paddle shifters in the M35i are satisfying to use, and the driving position gives you a commanding view without feeling too high. The seats are supportive and can be trimmed in Sensatec or Vernasca leather with heating, ventilation, and memory settings available. Rear passengers get more legroom than before, and there's enough width for 2 adults to sit comfortably, 3 for short trips. Storage space is excellent for the segment, with 25.7 cubic feet of cargo room behind the seats and over 57 cubic feet when folded. A power tailgate is standard, and higher trims offer hands-free opening. Driving the 2025 BMW X1 is a pleasure. The X Drive system provides excellent grip in all conditions, and the suspension tuning strikes a nice middle ground. Firm enough for agility, yet compliant enough for comfort. On a twisty road, the steering is direct and confidence-inspiring. The M35i turns that up a notch. Quicker steering ratio, adaptive dampers, and an exhaust note that actually makes you want to downshift just to hear it sing. If long highway cruises are more your thing, the X1 is also a fantastic companion. Quiet, stable, and efficient. Let's talk safety and tech. The X1 2025 comes standard with forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and parking sensors. You can add adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a full 360-degree camera system. These features, combined with BMW's build quality, make the X1 feel reassuring and secure. Now, how does it compare to rivals? Against the Audi Q3, the BMW X1 offers more engaging handling and slightly better rear seat space. Compared to the Mercedes-Benz GLA, the X1 feels more substantial and premium inside. And versus the Volvo XC40, it's the sportier choice, though the Volvo still wins for minimalist Scandinavian cool. Ownership is another factor worth considering. BMW offers a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty, and maintenance packages can be added to cover routine services. The hybrid 25e will save you money on fuel, while the petrol models balance performance with respectable economy. Insurance rates will vary by trim, but BMW's safety ratings help keep them reasonable for the segment. So, pros and cons. The 2025 X1 BMW delivers strong engines, a premium interior, generous cargo space, and the kind of driving experience few compact SUVs can match. On the downside, heavy reliance on the touchscreen for controls can take getting used to, and adding too many options can push the price into X3 territory. Final verdict? The BMW X1 2025 is a polished, versatile, and fun-to-drive compact SUV. Whether you pick the balanced X-Drive 28i, the green-minded 25e, or the performance-oriented M35i, you're getting a vehicle that feels like it's been designed with both heart and brain. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the BMW X1 2025 review, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. I'd love to know which version of the X1 would you choose? The sporty M35i, the efficient 25e, or the everyday X-Drive 28i? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.